Okay, after a whole year's worth of pickling over details that really had no significance, today we're finally pouring the concrete for the footings and the piers. Piers look like this. See all that ridiculous amount of rebar down in there? Kind of crazy. This line holds truss support, another giant pier there. We'll be able to see all that when we look at this later. These are actually new walls. Bath, laundry, master bath, closet, master bedroom, I believe. Out here is your covered patio. There's another bedroom, bathroom going in over here. Next time you see this part, it'll all be torn off. But we waited to tear off this part until we poured the piers and the footings to keep the debris out of the holes.